Throughout these years, our dream has been to establish Bridgestone as the #1 brand across the globe. This dream was started by our founder, Shojiro Ishibashi, who led the foundation for establishing Bridgestone Corporation in Japan, with a mission of serving society with superior quality. Ever since, we have been working towards satisfying our customers, employees and business partners. In 1988, the company acquired Firestone Tyre and Rubber Company to become the world #1 tyre company. Today, Bridgestone is a major player in the international market. Globally, Bridgestone has 47 tyre manufacturing plants and 28 other tyre-related plants in 25 nations. Bridgestone India. In 1996, in India, Bridgestone joined hands with ACC, a Tata Group company in India, and set up its first plant in Indore. In the following year, first tyre was produced and commercial production started in 1998 in Indore. The plant has a capacity to produce 15,000 PSR tyres and 400 TBR tyres per day. In a short spell, Bridgestone became the first preference for passenger car radials to major original equipment manufacturers in India. In the replacement market of passenger cars, we have around 2,500 retailers spread across in most parts of India to serve the needs of our consumers. Bridgestone India TBR. In 2006, we launched truck and bus radials, and since then, we have continuously strived to provide high-performance products suitable for Indian roads. With a strong diversified product lineup, we have high-quality commercial tyres suitable for each and every road condition. We have also been setting up Bridgestone Fleet Points, a one-tyre stop solution which not only supplies superior products but also offer a variety of services. By providing high-quality products and major focus of enhancement of services, our basic goal is to reduce operating expenses in fleets. Reduction in operating expense is very important for the fleets to be competitive in order to grow and survive. With the current rising prices of diesel and currency, fleet owners face a tough time in reducing their operating costs. Tyres being one of the major expenses for fleets, proper selection of a tyre and tyre maintenance are extremely vital and have a huge impact on reducing the operating expenses. Tyre selection. India has seen a substantial growth in the truck and bus radial segment over the past decade, and this demand is growing due to the expansion of the expressways and other road infrastructure. Buyers have realized the need for better performing radial tyres as compared to the traditional bias tyres. Better tyre construction, better puncture resistant, heat resistant, handling and traction, and of course, better long-term cost have given radial tyres an unbeatable edge. Having understood the benefits of radial tyres, it is critical to select the correct tyre based on your operating conditions. Tyres are constructed, casing, tread, compounds, etc., depending upon the road surface it is to run on. Therefore, different road conditions will require different types of tyres. To obtain maximum life of your tyres, it is imperative that the right tyre be chosen for the right operating condition. Kindly contact your Bridgestone representative for proper recommendation of a tyre. Apart from tyre selection, maintenance has a huge impact on reducing operating costs and shouldn't be taken lightly. Let's understand the importance of tyre maintenance by an example. Let's say a fleet has 100 vehicles and has an annual running of around 1 lakh kilometers. Assuming the same tyre price, we understand the life of the tyre would be much higher if the tyre is maintained well. This results in lower cost per kilometer for the fleet. By analyzing the overall cost impact, we can understand that by regular maintenance, the fleet can have an annual savings of approximately 30 lakhs, which is almost equal to 138 tyres. With proper maintenance, fleets will not only have savings in terms of tyre mileage, but also obtain added benefits like less downtime, reduced tyre damages and better fuel economy. Before we look at how to maintain a tyre, first let us all understand the basic functions of a tyre. Support the load, transferring traction and braking forces to road surface, changing and maintaining the direction of travel, absorbing road shocks. To achieve the above four functions, the tyre must have its most basic necessity, air. It's not the tyre but the air inside the tyre that carries the load. Therefore, pressure maintenance is vital for tyre performance. Inflation. Proper inflation pressure ensures better fuel economy and improved wear characteristics. Studies reveal that underinflation reduces the tyre life. Low inflation pressure can cause heat to build up inside the tyre, which leads to faster tyre wear and premature failures. If the tyre pressure is too low, it would result in generation of heat causing separation, reduced tyre life, irregular wear, decreased fuel economy. On the contrary, if the tyre pressure is too high, it would result in cut or cord break due to shock, reduced tyre life, center wear, decreased riding comfort. Your Bridgestone representative will help you to suggest the correct pressure for your tyres based on the load and operating condition. Periodical tyre maintenance. A tyre can lose 2 psi per month under normal circumstances. Hence, maintain and check tyres regularly. It is a must you have a good pressure gauge to achieve accurate pressure readings. Check pressure of the tyre when it is cold. That is, when it is at the same temperature as the ambient temperature 3 hours after the vehicle has parked or before any operation. The heat inside the tyre can increase the pressure by 10 to 15%. Importance of valve cap. As you check tyre pressure periodically, listen out for leaks. Loose valve core or dust or sand in the core are some of the common reasons for leaks. To avoid such situations, make sure each valve stem is tightly sealed through a good quality valve cap. A good cap will avoid any air leakage and reduce contamination in the valve core. Dual mismatch. In case of a dual assembly, it is recommended that the pressure, pattern and size of both the tyres should be the same. If one tyre is smaller than the other, it cannot cover the same distance in a single revolution as the bigger tyre. But because the tyres are bolted together, it has to cover the same distance. What happens is that the bigger tyre scuffs the smaller tyre over that extra distance every time it goes around. The smaller tyre can run hotter, wear faster. It may even act as a brake, holding the vehicle back, wasting fuel. Importance of valve extensions. It is often noted that many times the pressure of the inner tyre in a dual assembly is not checked or monitored, as it is not easily accessible to the driver. That's why we recommend that you use valve extensions so that the inner tyre pressure can be properly filled and monitored. Importance of rotation. The wear rate differs in different tyre positions. To avoid this uneven wear situation, it is recommended to follow tyre rotation at intervals. Rotation is a preventive maintenance practice which achieves optimum tyre life. Note that once a tyre experiences irregular wear, it can only be minimized. Hence, make sure that you do rotation of your tyres on a periodical basis. Don't wait till the tyres have irregular wear. Also, tyre life can be maximized if rotation is done in the initial period of tyre life than doing it at the end of the tyre life. For correct rotation practices and intervals, please contact your nearest Bridgestone representative. Importance of wheel alignment. Are you experiencing truck pulling to one side, which is constantly requiring you to steer the other way? This is due to misalignment of the axles. Misalignment of axles can lead to problems like excessive tire wear, increased fuel consumption, vehicle wandering, driver fatigue, increased maintenance cost for the vehicle. Just doing front axle alignment is not enough. Complete axle alignment is necessary to minimize tire wear and to optimize fuel efficiency. Hence, make sure the vehicles are aligned periodically and contact your nearest BFP and BFPM for professional alignment services. Track performance of tires. By now, you must be aware that maintenance of tires is a crucial factor in a fleet's operating expenses. Hence, management of tires is vital. Track performance of every tire. Good monitoring and record keeping will help you in understanding your cost per kilometer and take countermeasure wherever necessary. Bridgestone India has its own dedicated on-site team for professional management of your tires. By this program, you can concentrate on your core business and we can take care of your tires. Remember, for most fleets, tires are a major maintenance cost. So, anything you can do to last tires longer saves your company money and increases your company productivity. This will make you more valuable to your fleet. Our mission is growing further together. Let us help you in reducing your operating expenses and help you to be more competitive by partnering with Bridgestone.